Hi guys, this is Jasper Kaur. How you are doing? I hope you are doing well. Okay, if you're watching this video, probably you are someone that stand on the fence while deciding whether or not to start an affiliate marketing business. You maybe already know what is affiliate marketing, but you're not sure that if affiliate marketing is worth it. Is it still profitable in today's world? Okay, if you are the person, you're at the right place. I'm going to talk about, is affiliate marketing profitable and worth it today? Okay, before start, if you are first time in my channel, my name is Jasper Kaur. I'm an affiliate marketer. In this channel, I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and entrepreneurship related topics. If you are interested on these topics, feel free to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's go into today's topic. Is affiliate marketing still worth it, and is it still profitable in today's world? Okay, now I will compare affiliate marketing with a few of the most popular online business in the world. Okay, the first one is freelancing. Freelancing is something like you have some skill set, and then you provide your using your skill to provide some service online. Okay, the services included the something like logo design, photo editings, and video editings, and banner creations, and all this. Okay, by providing this service, you get the payment. Okay, so some of the famous freelancing platform included the Fiverr and Upwork. Okay, the average profit margin is around 30%, because most of the profit margin is actually kept by the company. Okay, and then second, I want to talk about the MLM. MLM is multi-level marketing. The few major multi-level marketing company in the world included the Amway, the Herbalife, the Mary Kay, and the Melaleuca or something like that. So the profit margins of the MLM marketing is around like 25% average. Okay, it depends on the company. Okay, next is the dropshipping and the e-commerce. Dropshipping and e-commerce is one of the most popular business models today, right? Everyone is talking about how to make money with dropshipping and e-commerce and all these things. The thing is, e-commerce and dropshipping is something like you are selling some physical product online. Okay, and then the thing for the physical product is you will hit some price ceilings. There is some invincible price ceilings for physical products. For example, if you sell a pen online, you can sell it at like 50 cents to $1 or few dollars max, right? You cannot sell the pen like for few hundreds or few $1,000s. No one would buy it, right? So the profit margin is relatively lower. The average profit margins for the dropshipping and e-commerce is around 15 to 25%. Okay, so yeah, so this is the profit margins for the dropshipping and e-commerce. And then I'm not talking that e-commerce and dropshipping you cannot make money with this. Okay, you can still make money with dropshipping and e-commerce, but you need to scale it up. You need to sell a lot of volumes to make your profit like a decent profit. Okay, so this is some volume game. Okay, let's go into today's topic, affiliate marketing. So for affiliate marketing, you literally can sell anything. So the two of the main categories of the affiliate marketing is you can sell the physical products or digital products. But in general, digital products profit margins is generally higher than the physical products. Okay, the physical products profit margins is somewhere around 1 to 10% only. Depends on what is the products and the platform that you are selling on. Okay, but for digital products, the profit margins can go up to 40 to 70%. It is crazy high, right? Okay, maybe you will ask like, hey Jasper, why affiliate marketing by selling digital products you can get a so high profit margin? Okay, this is because when we are selling a digital product with affiliate marketing, there is product fee. We do not own the product, right? And then we do not need to deal with all these deliveries and inventory stuff. Okay, and also it is 100% digital. It is 100% online. You do not have a single physical element. Okay, so when there is no physical elements, then there is no invincible price ceiling. You can sell the product with $500, $1,000, $2,000, or even $5,000 a product. Okay, yeah, does this make sense? Okay, some of the examples of the digital products that we can sell with affiliate marketing are the fitness program, the investment training course, the even the children educational course. Okay, all these courses are the digital informations. After the people purchase it, they download it and then consume the digital informations. What we are selling are the piece of information only. Okay, does this make sense? Yeah, this is why the profit margins of affiliate marketing is so high. Okay, so out there are many affiliate marketing platform. Some of the major affiliate marketing platform or network are including the ClickBank, the JVju, Warrior Plus, Rakuten, or Share Sales. Okay, all these are the platform that have tons of digital product that you can sell. Okay, so maybe you will ask like what are the costs that we actually need to start an affiliate marketing business? Okay, the cost that you need is only you need to understand the affiliate marketing, and then you need to know like how to run the affiliate marketing business. So you need to buy the programs to teach you like how to do all these things. Okay, and then you also need to pay the base cost to acquire the tools that need to run the business. The tools included the email marketing, the email managers, the tracking, and also the page builders. Okay, yeah, that's it. So this is why affiliate marketing have very high profit margins. It is 100% product free and then 100% online or digital. Okay, now answer back your question. Is affiliate marketing worth it and is it profitable? The answer is absolutely yes. It is the most profitable business model available. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Maybe you ask like, hey Jasper, where can I get the training program to teach all this affiliate marketing stuff? Okay, that's a good news. I have a workshop. It is 100% free. Okay, all you need to do is click the link below and then fill up the email address, and then I will send you a 4 days video training sessions or workshop for free. Okay, so let's click the link below. Okay, let me know your thought in the comment box below, and if you find you get some value from this video, give a thumbs up and then hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss my next videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again. Bye.